Tom Johnson's idea was to create a municipal electric system because he believed that a publicly owned electric system could offer electricity at a fraction of what the privately owned electric system, which was owned by the Cleveland Electric Illuminating Company, could provide to people. But when he went to form this publicly owned electric system, the Cleveland Municipal Electric Light, the private interests went to work right away. They went to work in the state legislature to try to make it illegal to operate a public electric system. They tried to protect the monopoly for the private system. They tried to bribe the Cleveland City Council to thwart an effort to create a public electric system. Tom Johnson understood that monopolies are able to basically name their price for a product, whether it's transportation or electricity or telephones, and to get their price. So when he was fighting for an electric system, he took the experience that he had in bringing a 3-cent fare to the streetcars. He understood. He was a monopolist. And he didn't come into public life as some kind of a great advocate of the poor. He was a pretty ruthless monopolist himself and built a streetcar monopoly, but then he came to understanding after meeting Henry George that it wasn't really a rewarding and a productive approach to life. So he changed and became the advocate of the people, and when he did that, he had all of his knowledge that he gained from being a monopolist, and then he understood he had to break the monopolies. He worked to break the streetcar monopoly, and he worked to break the electric monopoly. And the electric monopoly in Cleveland was charging people about 2.5 to 3 times what a public system would charge. So Johnson went about creating the public system. He had opposition in the city council and the state legislature and even the Ohio Supreme Court.